Guys, hello and welcome to PowerGo channel. Today I'll show you my kind of new, kind of not car. Let's check it out. Guys, it's my 2017 Honda Civic SI. But as you can see, it's not in like fully equipped. Yeah, so I bought this car from the Copart USA auction site. It was like after accident, so it has damaged a front bumper, a fender. We have some damage in the back. Here we can see a hole in the back panel, and we have a not so little dent at the gas filling area, and in result of that, a rear bumper has came off, and our back suspension has some minor damage. I need to change this arm, and I need to check some components. I'm afraid I'll need to change the shock too. So yeah, I've got a little work coming up in front of me, but it's gonna be alright. Also, I have some my front wheel has been damaged too. Let's see, it's over here, right? So I don't know, maybe I'll try fixing it, or I'll just buy another new rim. We should see about that. But other than that, it's pretty good. Let's check out the interior. Also, in the interior, we have some motherfucking mold. Yeah. Here on the rear seat belts, in the front, like a center console. But other than that, it's okay. I've been trying to start it. It runs just fine, but unfortunately I can't like test drive it yet. So yeah, after I'll do some work to it, fix some stuff, I'll show you how it runs, and maybe we'll do some mods too. We'll see. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Peace.